Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. And I think this is the first time I'll be doing a voiceover for any design that was done. So, quickly, I want to take you guys through how I was able to achieve this simple design that was done here in Photoshop. So, if you're new to this channel, in fact, everybody is new to this channel, so you're seeing this content for the first time, do like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because I'll be dropping a lot of things that are really related to graphic design. I'm dropping a lot of graphic design related content that's be useful to you. So quickly, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get into Photoshop and start working. All right, so we got into Photoshop, we created our Canva, and we started our whole design. So brought in our colors, and we created a circle. And what I did with the circle was trying to give it this depth of light coming from this other side. I would have used gradients fill, but I just decided to create the whole gradients by myself. Yeah, so this will be bringing in my text. We are trying to adjust the text so they will sit in properly and fit what's the message we are trying to pass. So yeah, so I brought in my body text and I tried to put the text too. I was using Octane Newer, but in the course of the design, I decided to change the font. Yeah, I already applied colors to it to make it look better because the brand color is this particular orange, yellowish orange, and the purple. That's the brand color. So I brought in my glass prism and I discovered that my glass prism was not really doing the work for me properly. So this glass prism, I created it like long time ago, but I didn't want to stress myself creating again. So I brought in my text. That is for the dates, and the dates, the design, the class we started, and introduced the training, the title, training starts. And I brought in my calendar. I have my calendar PNG, so I went to bring it for me. Yeah, so that's my calendar PNG over there. And I added this, and what I did, I created the shape above it, and I made the fill white, and I dropped the fill to around 10, and I just wonder why my adjustment layers were not really showing, but I made a fill. I used a Gaussian blur somewhere along the line, and I added stroke to the shape, and yeah, to give that glass prism kind of look. So that was me adding the Gaussian blur, and I grouped everything, and yeah, still trying to make some adjustments to see how everything fits properly into the frame. So I went ahead designing. Yeah, I brought in the image and I used a particular hack I found from Photoshop that can make you remove image quickly, but the image has to be high quality images, of which I will be dropping that on this channel the course of time. Please still like, subscribe, and share this content if you're finding it useful to you. Then I went ahead to impute my other information, that's the registration dates, registration fee. Yeah, it's actually a free class. So I decided to input it, change it to white, give it a Bricolage text font instead, because that was actually giving me the feel of what I wanted. And I changed every font back to Bricolage text. Yeah, because look, I changed it to build tinting. That was what I later used that gave that particular feel, blend design at the beginning. And so I went ahead and started doing some little adjustments, I used my rulers to make the alignment of my text and everything perfect. It's one of the things that is very essential as a graphic designer is your alignment. So went ahead and continued designing, making my adjustments to the image. So I just wonder why I never knew it was just screen recording only the Photoshop interface. There was a pop-up for camera roll. and I will explain how you can use Camera Raw to make your image look something like this. But for me, I wasn't really okay with it, so I later went ahead to adjust it. So this is me bringing in other information into the design, because these are all the information that we're giving here. So I was bringing in the information into the design, trying to see how the information are properly shown, how the information is showing this hierarchy. And here it's me distorting my line. I brought in the line, I distorted it, changed the color to yellow, which is the brand color, and I just made duplicates of them. I just didn't want the background to look so empty. So this was me just playing around, making it to get this kind of feel, and yeah, I just set my image. I grouped, yes, don't forget to group your projects, don't forget to group, so it will help you to understand where each of these informations, if you want to change them, where they are on the design, on the Canva. Yeah, so this is me just grouping everything, making everything look so amazingly beautiful. Yeah, you can agree with me that it's already looking good. So here I brought in the logo of the brand, and I adjusted it and I made it white so it can actually fill into that particular space. And yeah, I adjusted it to fit in the properly, and I adjusted my other text, other layers, and yeah, this is what I got. So I went back to Camera Raw Filter and I adjusted the image again. Because I was not feeling the black and white vibe. So all I did was reduce the light that was coming into the image, and added a curve to it, and that's how I got my image. So I went ahead to bring in my texture into this particular design. So I brought in my texture, and I took my texture straight to my background and allowed my texture to be above my background, my image. Then I converted everything to, I brought in the logos for, I brought in the logos for the brand that they'll be using for the designs, yeah. So they'll be using Canva and Pixel Lab since it's a free class for them, yeah. So I just made the design, added the logo, so people can actually see, oh, it's not a Photoshop class, damn, it's a Canva and Pixel Lab class. So I did that, and I added some motion blur to it, adjusted my text, and converted it with a smart object, and went into Camera Raw and made some adjustments to the image. Yeah, I made some adjustments to the whole flyer, and it was looking sharp, looking all good. And also I did some I added some color what I call it, it's color lookup. I added some color lookup to it. Wow, it's really looking fine. Then color lookup to it, and voila, that's how I achieved my whole design in Photoshop. So if you find this particular information that I shared with you so useful and very good, all you just have to do is subscribe, like, share, and drop your comments. So from your comments, I'll be able to know what I can do better as a graphic designer, and also as a tutor on this particular channel. So till our next class, till our next tutorial, till our next whatever, see you and bye.